So I thought we'll do a wee example using the area of a triangle using trig formula, and they actually give you an area this time, and they give you one angle, they give you one side, so you're going to try and work out the other side, and quite often they might call it A and B. Obviously you're used to seeing A, B and C within the formula, but just ignore that. That's the side that they're wanting you to find. So they're wanting you to find side AB. Okay, still think of that as angle C, and then you can think about that as A and B. Okay, so remember the formula's given to you, so that's a half A, B sine C. So that's given to you in the formula sheet. So what you're going to do is, what we can say is we'll label this C, okay, because that's the angle you're trying to find. It's up to you what you want to label A and B. I'm just going to call that one A, and then I'm just going to call that one B. Now, so we're going to try and find B. So we can substitute these values in, and then we can rearrange the formula and try and find the answer. So we know a half. Now that's going to be times A, which is 10. We're then going to look for B, and we've got the sine, and we know the angle, which is 40. Now they tell you the area is 45 square centimetres. Now, first thing we want to do is we just get rid of this fraction. Now, basically what this means, whatever this value is, we're going to half it. So to get rid of the fraction, you just times it by the denominator, okay, if the numerator's 1. So we're going to times this side by 2. Since it's an equation, what you do to one side, you do to another side. So I'm going to times that by 2 as well. So what you end up having is you end up having 10 B sine 40 is equal to, that's just going to be 90 square centimetres. Now we're going to try and work out what B is. So what you can do is you can put B, and that is going to be equals. Now we're going to actually divide this side by 10 sine 40. So you put 90 over, and you put all this lot is a denominator, 10 sine 40. And what you then hopefully do is, when you get your calculator, okay, you'll have 90 and then divide. Okay, now you're going to want to have an open bracket, and then 10 sine 40, press equal, and that gives you 14. Okay, so the answer to that is 14 centimetre. So it's all about using this formula that you're given, and then substituting the values that you do know. Always get rid of this half, so just times it by 2, and that gets rid of the half here, but obviously times that side by 2. And then for the unknown, keep the unknown, which is B, or it could have been A, it depends on what you want to name it, and take what you do know and shove it as a denominator here. So you have this expression to work out, and that's your answer. Then what you want to do is have a wee look to see if that's a sensible answer there. So if you've got something like 140, you can kind of have a wee guess that that's not right. Same if you get something like 1.4. So just have a wee look at your diagram. Your diagrams won't be to scale, but it can be quite a good indication. Hope that helps.